Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
There is a special kind of magic in watching a seed sprout, unfurl, and blossom into a flower. It's a process that speaks to the very essence of life itself. A journey from a tiny, seemingly insignificant seed to a vibrant, living testament of nature's wonders. It's a testament to life's simple beauty, a reminder that even the smallest beginnings can lead to the most magnificent outcomes. Each petal, each leaf, tells a story of growth, resilience, and the quiet power of nature. A reminder of nature's quiet power. The gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, the industrious hum of bees pollinating flowers. All these elements come together to create a symphony of life that is both calming and invigorating. Having a flower garden at home is more than just a visual treat. It's a sanctuary, a personal retreat where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace in its rhythms. It's an immersive experience that engages all your senses and nourishes your soul. The sight of butterflies flitting from flower to flower, the scent of fresh blooms, the feel of soil between your fingers. All these sensations combine to create a deeply fulfilling experience. Imagine stepping out into your backyard, a cup of tea in hand, and being greeted by a riot of colors and intoxicating scents. The morning dew glistens on petals, and the air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, creating a perfect moment of tranquility. Picture yourself, trowel in hand, coaxing life from the earth as you tend to your blooming companions. Each plant you nurture is a testament to your care and dedication, a living symbol of your connection to the natural world. That's the allure of home flower gardening. It's a journey of creation, connection, and quiet contemplation. It's a practice that allows you to slow down, to be present in the moment, and to find joy in the simple act of nurturing life. This essay is your guide to creating that sanctuary, a space where you can lose yourself in the joy of gardening and reap its countless rewards. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, there's always something new to learn and discover. We'll explore everything from choosing the right flowers to nurturing their growth, ensuring that each plant thrives in its environment. We'll delve into the specifics of soil preparation, watering techniques, and the best times to plant different species. From creative decoration ideas to the therapeutic benefits of tending your own green haven, we'll cover it all. You'll learn how to design a garden that reflects your personal style and how to incorporate elements that enhance its beauty and functionality. So roll up your sleeves and let's embark on this fulfilling journey together. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a way of life that brings joy, satisfaction, and a deeper connection to the world around us. Let's transform your home, one blossoming flower at a time. With patience, care, and a little bit of love, you'll create a garden that is not only beautiful, but also a true reflection of your spirit and creativity. Choosing the right flowers for your garden can be an exciting adventure. It's like embarking on a journey where each step brings you closer to creating your own little paradise. Think of it as curating your own personal art exhibition, with each flower representing a splash of color and texture. The arrangement and selection of flowers can transform a simple garden into a vibrant masterpiece. Consider your local climate and soil type. These factors play a crucial role in determining which flowers will thrive and which might struggle. Some flowers thrive in warm, sunny conditions, while others prefer the cool shade. Understanding the needs of each plant will help you place them in the perfect spot. Don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties. Trying out new flowers can lead to delightful surprises and a more diverse garden. Start with easy-to-grow flowers like sunflowers, which are not only beautiful, but also resilient. Zinnias, which come in a variety of bright colors, and marigolds. These are relatively low maintenance and provide a burst of color. They are perfect for beginners and can quickly add life to any garden. For a touch of elegance, consider roses, which are timeless and add a classic beauty to your garden. Lilies, known for their stunning blooms, or dahlias, which offer a wide range of colors and shapes. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Get your hands dirty, plant those seeds, and watch them grow. Start small, observe what works best in your garden, and gradually expand your floral repertoire. Each season brings new opportunities to try different flowers and arrangements. This journey is all about discovering the joys of nurturing life and creating a space that reflects your personality and passions. Your garden is a living canvas, and with each bloom, you add a stroke of beauty and joy. Just like people, plants have preferences too. Some bask in the full glory of the sun, while others flourish in the gentle shade. Before you start planting, take some time to observe your garden. Identify sunny spots, shady corners, and areas with well-drained soil. Once you have a good understanding of your garden's microclimates, you can start selecting plants accordingly. Sun-loving plants like lavender, coneflowers, and black-eyed Susans are perfect for open, sunny areas. For shady spots, consider hostas, ferns, and impatiens. Remember, proper spacing is crucial for healthy growth. Overcrowding can lead to competition for resources and increase the risk of diseases. Always check the plant tags for recommended spacing guidelines and ensure your garden has enough room for your floral friends to thrive. There's something deeply satisfying about starting your garden from seed. The act of planting seeds is more than just a gardening task. It's a ritual that brings you closer to nature. Each seed holds the promise of new life, a tiny package of potential waiting to burst forth. It's a slow and deliberate process that connects you to the natural rhythm of life. Watching seeds grow teaches patience and mindfulness, reminding us that good things take time. The anticipation builds as you wait for the first signs of growth, a tiny green sprout breaking through the soil. You carefully sow the tiny seeds, nurture them with water and sunlight, and watch in awe as they sprout and unfurl their first leaves. Each day brings new changes, and you become attuned to the needs of your growing plants. The joy of seeing those first leaves is unparalleled, a testament to your care and dedication. Starting from seed also gives you access to a wider variety of flowers, some of which may not be readily available as transplants. This opens up a world of possibilities for your garden, allowing you to cultivate rare and exotic species that add unique beauty and diversity to your space. You can experiment with heirloom varieties, unusual colors, and unique textures. These special plants often come with their own stories and histories, adding a layer of richness to your gardening experience. Growing heirlooms can also help preserve biodiversity and keep these precious varieties alive for future generations. Invest in some good quality seed starting mix and choose containers with drainage holes. The right soil mix provides essential nutrients and the proper environment for your seeds to thrive. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and other issues. Sow the seeds at the recommended depth and keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Gentle watering ensures that the seeds stay hydrated without being drowned. Consistent moisture is key to successful germination and healthy seedling development. Once the seedlings have developed a few true leaves, you can transplant them to larger pots or directly into your garden. This transition is a critical step in their growth journey, giving them more space to expand their roots and access more nutrients. With proper care, these seedlings will grow into strong, vibrant plants that bring joy and beauty to your garden. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. Enriching your garden soil with organic matter is the key to healthy, vibrant blooms. Compost, aged manure, and leaf mold are excellent sources of nutrients that improve soil structure, drainage, and water retention. Avoid using chemical fertilizers, as they can harm beneficial insects and disrupt the natural balance of your garden's ecosystem. Embrace the principles of organic gardening by using natural pest control methods like companion planting and introducing beneficial insects. Remember, healthy soil leads to healthy plants, which in turn attract pollinators and create a thriving ecosystem. By choosing organic methods, you're not only nurturing your garden, but also contributing to a healthier planet. Designing your flower garden is where your creativity can truly blossom. Think of your garden as an empty canvas waiting to be filled with colors, textures, and shapes. Create visual interest by combining plants of different heights, forms, and bloom times. Use pathways, trellises, and arbors to add structure and verticality to your garden. Consider creating focal points with eye-catching plants like ornamental grasses, flowering shrubs, or even a small water feature. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through. Whether you prefer a formal, symmetrical design or a more relaxed cottage garden aesthetic, the key is to create a space that brings you joy and reflects your unique style. Every gardener, from novice to expert, can benefit from a few handy tips and tricks. These time-tested techniques can help you maximize your garden's potential and ensure your flowers flourish. Deadheading, the practice of removing spent blooms, encourages plants to produce more flowers. Pinching back the tips of certain plants promotes bushier growth and more abundant blooms. Watering deeply and less frequently is more effective than frequent, shallow watering. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Embrace these simple yet effective techniques and watch your garden thrive.